This dance is called Clay Walker. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner level line dance with one restart. Starting on the right foot, we're going to vine to the right. So we step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side. Now on this one we're going to brush the left forward. So with the brush it's just gentle contact with the ground with the ball of the foot. Brush. We're going to repeat that going back to the left. So we step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side, brush the right forward. Very gentle movement on that brush. The leg doesn't lift up high at all, it stays very low to the ground. That set of steps once more then. Vining to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush. We're going to add on a jazz box with a cross at the end. So we're going to cross the right over the left, step back on the left, step the right to the side, cross the left over the right. That's our jazz box with a cross. Step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right, step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. That set of steps once more then, jazz box with a cross. Right foot leading. 7, 8, cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, side, touch. Let's add that to the top. Vine to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush. Cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, side, touch. Rocking chair, right foot leading. So we're going to rock forward on the right, recover our weight onto the left, which is almost like our pivot foot. Move the right back as we rock back on the right, recover the weight back on that left. So that is your rocking chair. So that right foot has to move from the front to the back as you do that rocking motion. Your weight needs to return back onto that pivot foot, which in this case is the left. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself a quarter turn to the left. The weight goes back onto my left foot, I cross the right over the left, point that left to the side. That set of steps once more then. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, point. Let's add that to the top. Vine to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush. Cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, point. Step that left forward, touch the right, behind the left. Step back on the right, kick the left forward into a slow coaster step. So we're going to step the left back, right beside the left, step the left forward. That's your coaster step, back close step, and then brush the right through. That ends the dance. So that set of steps once more then. step, touch off on the left. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, brush. Let's put it all together. Vining to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush. Cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, point. Step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, brush. So that is your dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls, and I will just speed it up a little bit as we go round the walls. Vining to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush. Cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, point, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, brush, side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush, cross, back, side, touch, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, point, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, brush, side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush, cross, back, side, touch, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, point, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, brush. So that is your dance. Now there is one little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 3 after 16 counts, so halfway through the dance. Wall 3 will be your back wall, so your 6 o'clock wall. You will have done your jazz box and your side touches, and you restart at that point. So let's have a go at the back wall. Take you up to the restart point and restart the dance. Vine to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush. Cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, restart, side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush. So hopefully you can see where that restart fits in. Wall 3 after 16 counts. So that's it, that's your dance, that's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. Let's give it a go to the music. Six, 7, 8, side behind side brush, side behind side brush, cross back side cross, side touch, rocking chair, step pivot cross point, step touch back kick coaster, step brush, side behind side brush, side behind side brush, cross back side cross, side touch, rocking chair, step pivot cross point, step touch back kick coaster, step brush, vine as you restart wall, side behind side brush, cross back side cross, side touch restart, side behind side brush, side behind side brush, cross back side cross, side touch, rocking chair, step pivot cross point, step touch back kick coaster, step brush, side behind side brush, side behind side tap, kick, coaster, step, rush, vine. Jazz. Rocking chair. Step touch. Vine. I'm sure your heart is telling you true. Jazz. I gotta know what love is to you. Rocking chair. Step touch. Vine. Jazz. Rocking chair. Step touch. Vine. Jazz. Rocking chair. Step touch. Hope you managed that one.